This is Eric from Pew Pew Tactical. Let's do a quick field strip, disassembly, and reassembly of the Walther P1. First, let's make sure it's safe. Remove the magazine, which I've already done, but you press back here on the button to make sure it falls out. And let's make sure the chamber is clear as well. Now pull back on the slide, and let's move this lever over to the around 8 o'clock position. You can try to slide this off, but it's not gonna go because you need to drop the hammer. So point in a safe direction, and now it slides off. We can put the frame away, but you can see the dual recoil rods over there. And here, we're gonna move this locking block up like this, and slides out. Now you can remove this by kind of pulling down and out. That does it for a basic field strip of the Walther P1. Now let's put everything back together. Now grab this and your locking lug. You're going to slide this past that little spring there and get that fitting into there. Cool. We're gonna flip it out, so it's gonna fit back onto the slide, just like that. Can put that back down. Now we're gonna fit it back onto the frame. It's gonna kind of go down this lower part of the frame. And you can see this part here, we're gonna press this down as it slides back. Watch your fingers. Great. Now we're gonna pull back and move this lever back to where we found it. That's it. Let's check for functionality. Chamber's empty still. Point in a safe direction. Great. Let's check for reset. And let's check for double action. All right, everything looks good. That is the quick field strip and reassembly of the Walther P1. Please thumbs up if that helped, and check out the links below for more info.